Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel once again. I'm bringing you this article because I think it's very interesting. So this article is by Electric, and basically it's telling us that right now Tesla it's making way too many foundation series, and that they're gonna, in order for them to get rid of it, they're gonna like debadge some of the foundation series and just gonna send it to Canada because they believe that in Canada, they're going to have a better chance of selling this foundation series. So because, as you guys know, the foundation series at Tesla added 20,000 on top, giving you all the other stuff that you might or might not need, you know what I mean? But yeah, so that's exactly what they're doing right now. And according to this article right here, it's stating that you can now find Cybertrucks in the inventory. So whether it's true or not, we're going to find out and we're going to check it out. All right, so let's hop over to the Tesla website and guess what it is. Check this out. They added the Cybertruck in the inventory, and we can literally see it right now. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? 7. 7 total. And of the 7, we got 3 all-wheel drive, and we got 4 Cyberbeast right here. So let's see. Let's check out the first one, see where it's at, see if it's near where I live, right? We can go through some of this. This is the foundation series right here. Check this out. See it? Check this out. Where is it? Where is it located? Where can we pick this up? Montebello, California. Wow. Montebello is about 20 minutes from where I live. So, hey, guys, if you're looking for Cybertruck, or if you have the older reservation, and if you want to pick this one up, you can. Let's see, where is this one at? Another foundations, right? All the way down. Let's see, where is this one located? Oh, again, Montebello. Wow, Jesus Christ, Montebello, quite a bit. Let's go another one. Check this out. See, where is it? Foundation series. This one is Montebello. Oh my gosh, did they just move all of them to Montebello or what? All right, check out the Cyberbeast. Cyberbeast 060 2.6 second, guys. Cyberbeast. All right, so where is this one at? Let's see. This one's in the Riverside. All right, so just so if you guys curious what it comes with right here, this is what it will come with right here. Check this out. Right, so the foundation series Cyberbeast, it's a range of 320 mile, and then it can tow up to 11,000 mile. But with that, when you tow 11,000 pounds, don't expect the range to be, because a lot of the YouTubers that do making videos, you're gonna probably get about half that, probably 160. However, the speed is really fast. 0 to 60 is 2.6 seconds. So maybe what, like 0.7 second slower than the Roadster, which is fast, very fast. And let's say this will come with the, it's included the power share outlets. All the list is right here for you if you're really into it. I'm not going to go over every single one of them, right? And it does include the full self-driving, which we all know is about $8,000. And it does come with the premium accessories, all the weather, the glass roof, sunshade, the standard, all this stuff. But does it justify $20,000? You make that call. All right, so let's check out another one and see where is this at. So that way, the viewers out there, hey guys, so if this is nearby your area, you want to snag up one, another Montebello. So we got like 4 or 5 Montebellos already, and only one in Riverside. I'm pretty sure this one may be another Montebello as well. Where is it at? Where is it at? Montebello. Wow. The last one. I'm just going to say Montebello. Is it Montebello? Montebello. So of all of this Cybertrucks in the inventory, it's in California, one in Riverside, and the rest of them are in Montebello, California, guys. So if you got the money, you got the power, you can pick up one as soon as tomorrow. Place the order right now, pick it up tomorrow, Montebello. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you love the content of the channel, feel free to subscribe. Other than that, be safe. Till next time.